everyone, welcome to my video again. So today I'm making a mushroom omelette sandwich. So this is not a new recipe for me. I make this every time because I love mushroom. आप लोग सोचे होंगे इसको mushroom इतना पसंद पसंद क्यों है? But it's true, I'm obsessed with mushroom. So let's get started. I'll have to make mushroom first. So I have already chopped this mushroom finely, not finely, roughly chopped mushroom. You can show it here. Let's just fry it in a pan. I'm using ghee instead of butter, but you can also use butter. I think this much is fine. So पहले हम सैंडविच का फिलिंग बना लेंगे. तो मैं मशरूम को पैन में डाल के टॉस करूँगी थोड़े स्पाइसेस डाल के. So I'll directly add mushrooms. So I really like taste of mushroom. I don't know why. In any form, like sandwich, sauce, or soups, anything. Literally anything of mushroom. तो जब ये कुक हो रहा है तभी हम इसमें नमक ऐड कर देंगे. So now in this I'm gonna add this pasta mix. This is really a good spice mix. You can get this anywhere like on Blinkit or any supermarket. मतलब इसको डालते ही इंस्टेंटली एक अलग ही जो डोमिनोज का ऑरिगेनो वाला जो फ्लेवर है वो वाला फ्लेवर आ जाता है. You can also use that in pasta. It's a pasta mix. Some black pepper and some chili flakes. So you can see while cooking this mushroom, इसमें पानी छूटने लग जाता है बहुत ही जल्दी और ये बहुत जल्दी कुक हो जाता है. You can also cook it on high flame. Okay. So meanwhile our mushroom is getting ready, I'll prepare for omelette. So what I do is make a omelette of 3 big eggs. So I don't have to make 2 separate egg omelets. Sorry. तो मैं इसके ही बड़ा सा एक ऑमलेट बना के इसको I'll cut it in half. These eggs are like big enough. बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़े हैं. भी मैं इसमें कोई स्पाइसेस ऐड नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'll directly add while making the omelette. Okay, one more important ingredient in mushroom is the garlic powder. So if you like taste of garlic, you can add this powder. This is just going to give an additional flavor of garlic. तो आपको गार्लिक का पेस्ट या गार्लिक ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. Okay, so my mushroom is ready. So I'll just take it out in a small plate so that we can make omelette. Okay, and I'll put some ghee. I'll put my mixed omelette here. Okay, so जब तक ये बन रहा है, I'll sprinkle some salt. Be mindful because you have already put salt in your pasta also. Sorry, mushroom. तो अब इसमें हम ब्लैक पेपर डालेंगे, सेम स्पाइसेस विच वी यूज्ड इन मशरूम, वही पास्ता मिक्स और चिली फ्लेक्स। ओके, आपका स्पाइसेस का काम जो है वो अभी हो गया है, so you can keep it aside. And now to cook the omelette, I'll put a lid on it and let it cook on steam. So meanwhile my omelette is getting cooked, I'm preparing for coffee also. So I've already poured my coffee and jaggery in these cups. So the reason why I use this small cups is I actually have good coffee mugs, which is this one. I really love these cups, but I prefer to use smaller cups because then I consume less coffee in the morning. So this is the trick. ये छोटे कप्स है और you know like ये थोड़े ऐसे शेप में है तो इसमें थोड़ी कम कॉफ़ी फिट होती है, तो मैं डायरेक्टली कम कॉफ़ी।
कैसे शेप में?
पता नहीं उसका कौन सा शेप है, अभी जो यूजुअल कप्स का होता है, आई डोंट नो कोन शेप
ऐसा।
या दैट्स राइट। ओके, सो आई जस्ट ब्रॉट द कॉफी, सो इसमें ऑलरेडी कॉफी है। दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी गुड टूल कॉफी बनाने के लिए, you know, instant dalgona coffee. I really love this.
Okay, my omelette is ready. Yes, it's ready. So I'll prepare for sandwich. So I'm using these breads. So what I'll do is first put the layer of mushroom and then put cheese on it, and then over that I'll add my omelette. So in that way the cheese in between sticks to the mushroom and the omelette, so it doesn't slip out. सबसे पहले मशरूम ऐड कर रही हूँ.
Now add a cheese slice. And I'll do 2 cheese slices on each bread. Is that okay for you?
Yeah.
So we usually put half of cheese slices because sometimes we don't like a lot of cheese. But I think for this recipe cheese is required. Okay, so my omelette has a little pimple. But it's ready, fully ready. I'm just gonna flip it and cut it into half. Now I'm gonna place each slice on each bread. You can already tell it's not a sandwich, it's a burger. आप लोग इसको एक ब्रेकफास्ट में खा लोगे तो आपको दोपहर तक भूख नहीं लगेगी. Okay, now place bread on top and this is how it looks like. Okay, so now last step, we are just going to toast it or make the sandwich a little hot because we have cheese slices, so we want the cheese to melt. Again, थोड़ा सा घी, तो अब इसको थोड़ा गरम कर लेंगे. Very difficult part is to flip this sandwich because sometimes when you flip it wrong, वो पूरा sandwich बाहर आ जाता है. अंदर का जो भी हमने डाला हुआ है वो सब बाहर आ जाता है. So we have to be very careful while doing that. Yay! I'm a pro, you know. Okay, so my sandwiches are hot and ready now, so you can eat it. I'll first give a quick taste. दोनों मैं नहीं खाने वाली, by the way. Hmm. Obviously tasty hai. This is not the first time I'm tasting it, but I just love it. Look at this bite. It's really good. You should try it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to this video. This will help me a lot, and I hope you enjoy the sandwich. So thank you. Bye. Bye.